Listen up, you lot. Today, we're diving headfirst into a culinary inferno and exploring the world's spiciest foods. These dishes are not for the faint of heart. They're packed with enough heat to melt your face off. From the scorching streets of India to the fiery kitchens of Korea, we'll be ranking and trying some of the most intense dishes known to man. Think you can handle the heat? I've got my doubts, but feel free to prove me wrong. If you're brave enough to join me on this culinary rollercoaster ride, then buckle up and get ready for a wild ride. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on any of the fiery fun. First up, we're heading straight to the heart of India, where we'll be tackling the infamous Phaal curry. This dish is a fiery beast that's been known to knock the socks off even the most seasoned chili enthusiasts. It all starts with a mountain of fresh chilies, including Scotch bonnets and habaneros. These bad boys are ground into a paste with onions, ginger, garlic, and a blend of spices that'll send your taste buds into overdrive. The whole lot simmers away until it reaches a consistency that could melt steel. The result? A curry so ridiculously hot that it's practically illegal. One bite of this fiery inferno and you'll be sweating, gasping for air, and questioning all your life choices. But for those brave enough to conquer the Phaal, it's an experience you won't soon forget. So, if you're feeling brave and you've got a fire extinguisher handy, track down a Phaal curry and see if you can handle the heat. Next, we're jetting off to Korea, where we'll be taking on Buldak, also known as fire chicken. It's fiery, it's flavorful, and it's guaranteed to set your mouth ablaze. The star of the show is, of course, the chicken. It's marinated in a fiery sauce made with gochugaru, gochujang, garlic, ginger, and a symphony of spices. Once the chicken is good and marinated, it's stir-fried until it's crispy, charred, and practically glowing with heat. The result is a dish that's both sweet and spicy, smoky and savory, with a depth of flavor that'll have you coming back for more. So if you're looking for a dish that will set your taste buds on fire and leave you wanting more, then Buldak is the one for you. Just be sure to have a glass of milk or two on hand to extinguish the flames. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to enter the danger zone. This isn't a dish, it's a weapon of mass destruction disguised as a pepper, the Carolina Reaper. This little devil, bred in the depths of South Carolina, is officially the hottest pepper in the world. One bite of this fiery fiend, and you'll be experiencing the kind of heat that can only be described as apocalyptic. But here's the thing about the Carolina Reaper. It's not just about the pain. Hidden beneath that intense, fiery exterior is a surprising sweetness, a hint of fruity flavor that peeks through the inferno. This pepper is best enjoyed in small doses, carefully incorporated into sauces, salsas, or even chocolates for the truly daring. So if you're a chili head looking for the ultimate challenge, the Carolina Reaper is calling your name. But be warned, this pepper doesn't mess around. Let's journey to the Sichuan province of China, where we'll be diving into a cauldron of flavor and fire with the Sichuan hot pot. This is a culinary experience that will ignite your senses and leave you with a tingling sensation that's both exhilarating and slightly terrifying. The magic of the Sichuan hot pot lies in its broth. This fiery concoction is a symphony of spices, featuring the signature ingredient Sichuan peppercorns. These little berries bring a unique numbing sensation that's unlike anything you've ever experienced. Imagine this. You take a sip of the broth, and a wave of heat washes over your tongue, followed by a tingling numbness that spreads throughout your mouth. The broth is also loaded with chilies, garlic, ginger, and a blend of spices that'll have you sweating and grinning from ear to ear. And let's not forget about the array of ingredients you get to cook in this fiery cauldron. From thinly sliced meats to fresh vegetables, mushrooms, noodles, and tofu, the possibilities are endless. You get to be the master of your own culinary destiny, dipping and cooking your way to spicy heaven. Get ready to face the heat, because we're heading back to India to tackle the infamous ghost pepper, also known as bhut jolokia. This fiery little monster once held the title of the world's hottest pepper, and while it's since been dethroned, it's still a force to be reckoned with. Originating in the northeast region of India, the ghost pepper is a staple in Assamese cuisine. It's used to spice up curries, pickles, and chutneys, adding a fiery kick that'll blow your socks off. One bite of this fiery fury, and you'll understand why it's named after a ghost. It's the kind of heat that haunts you, lingers on your palate long after the last bite. But amidst the inferno, there's a surprising sweetness to the ghost pepper, a hint of citrus and a touch of smokiness that adds depth and complexity to its flavor profile. If you're feeling adventurous and you think you can handle the heat, track down a dish that features the ghost pepper. But be warned, this pepper is not to be trifled with. Hold on tight, because we're about to dive headfirst into the fiery world of Indonesian cuisine with Sambal Oelek, a chili paste that's as versatile as it is volcanic. This fiery condiment is a staple in Indonesian kitchens, adding a punch of heat and flavor to everything from noodles and rice dishes to meats, seafood, and even eggs. Sambal Oelek is made with just a handful of ingredients: fresh chilies, usually a blend of red chilies for heat and bird's eye chilies for a touch of fruity sweetness, salt, and sometimes a splash of vinegar for tanginess. But don't let its simplicity deceive you. This paste packs a serious punch. One taste, and you'll be hit with a wave of heat that'll have you reaching for the nearest glass of milk. Unlike some other fiery contenders on our list, Sambal Oelek's heat is clean and crisp, with a vibrant freshness that cuts through the richness of any dish it graces. You can use it as a condiment, adding a dollop to your noodles or rice for an instant flavor upgrade. Or you can even use it as a marinade for chicken, fish, or tofu, infusing your proteins with its fiery goodness. So, if you're looking for a way to add some serious heat to your culinary repertoire, look no further than Sambal Oelek. Get ready to spice up your life, because we're heading to Jamaica to savor the fiery goodness of jerk chicken. This dish is a true Caribbean classic, renowned for its smoky flavor, aromatic spices, and of course, its fiery kick that'll leave you craving more. The secret to authentic jerk chicken lies in its marinade. This fiery concoction is a symphony of flavors, featuring a blend of Scotch bonnet peppers, allspice, thyme, ginger, garlic, and a medley of spices that'll tantalize your taste buds. The chicken is marinated for hours, allowing the flavors to penetrate deep into the meat, resulting in a dish that's bursting with flavor in every bite. Traditionally, jerk chicken is cooked over pimento wood, which imparts a unique smoky flavor that's simply irresistible. So if you're looking for a dish that will transport you to the sunny shores of Jamaica and set your taste buds on fire, then jerk chicken is the perfect choice. Just be sure to have plenty of napkins on hand, because this dish is finger-licking good. Get ready for a flavor explosion, because we're traveling to Thailand to savor the spicy and sour delights of Tom Yum soup. This iconic Thai dish is a true sensory adventure, combining fiery chilies, fragrant herbs, and tangy citrus flavors into a bowl of pure deliciousness. Tom Yum's magic begins with its broth, a fragrant and flavorful base made with lemongrass, galangal, kaffir lime leaves, and chilies. This aromatic broth is then simmered with your choice of protein, whether it's succulent shrimp, tender chicken, or fresh seafood. But what truly sets Tom Yum apart is its unique balance of spicy, sour, salty, and sweet flavors. The chilies bring the heat, while lime juice adds a refreshing tanginess. Fish sauce provides a savory depth, and a touch of sugar rounds out the flavors, creating a harmonious symphony in every spoonful. So, if you're looking for a taste of Thailand that will tantalize your taste buds and leave you feeling revitalized, then Tom Yum soup is the perfect choice. Hold on to your taste buds, because we're about to explore the fiery world of habanero peppers. These vibrant peppers pack a serious punch, but don't let their heat scare you away. Habaneros also boast a unique fruity flavor that adds a delightful complexity to any dish they grace. Originating in the Yucatan Peninsula of Mexico, habanero peppers are a staple ingredient in Mexican and Caribbean cuisines. Their fiery heat and fruity flavor make them incredibly versatile, adding a kick to everything from salsas and hot sauces to marinades, stews, and even cocktails for the adventurous. One bite of a habanero pepper, and you'll be hit with a wave of heat that's both intense and exhilarating. But unlike some chilies that offer pure heat, habaneros bring a touch of sweetness to the party. So if you're looking for a pepper that brings both heat and flavor to the table, look no further than the habanero. Hold on to your chopsticks, because we're diving into the world of sushi with a fiery twist: the spicy tuna roll. This popular sushi roll is a favorite among spice enthusiasts, combining the fresh, delicate flavors of sushi with a fiery kick that will ignite your taste buds. The star of the show is, of course, the spicy tuna filling. This flavorful mixture typically consists of fresh, high-quality tuna, mayonnaise, and a generous amount of chili sauce, often a blend of sriracha and other chili pastes for a complex flavor profile. The spicy tuna filling is then carefully rolled with sushi rice and nori seaweed, creating a beautiful and flavorful bite-sized treat. So, if you're a sushi lover looking for a roll that packs a punch, the spicy tuna roll is a must-try. It's a delicious and satisfying way to enjoy the fresh flavors of sushi with a fiery kick that will leave you wanting more. Well, there you have it, folks. We've journeyed to the far corners of the globe to sample some of the spiciest dishes known to humankind. From the fiery depths of Phaal curry to the numbing heat of Sichuan hot pot, we've pushed our taste buds to the limit and lived to tell the tale. But the adventure doesn't end here. There's a whole world of spicy food out there just waiting to be explored. So I challenge you to step outside your comfort zone, embrace the heat, and discover your new favorite fiery dish. And remember, if you can't handle the heat, get out of the kitchen. Just kidding, stay put, grab a glass of milk, and join me next time for more culinary adventures. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss out on the fiery fun.